Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel name is Project Enlighten Plus. If you are not subscribed to my channel till now, please subscribe and share this video to your friends. Guys, I planned a complete series of and videos on the HVAC system. Basically, I'm covered the HVAC system from the starting introduction to till the expert level. If you have any doubts and if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment box and I will explain all that queries and doubts in the upcoming videos. Before that, you watch all my complete videos and you will become an expert in the HVAC system. This HVAC system is nothing but an application part of the two major subjects in the mechanical engineering stream. The two are one is thermodynamics and second one is an heat transfer. The principles which we are used in this HVAC system mostly are taken from these two subjects. So, in this complete series of videos, I will cover what are the things I'm explaining right now. What is HVAC? What is the significance of this HVAC? And what are the applications of this system? Next is what are the different types of units present in this system? And next is how to design the system. Not but not the least is the miscellaneous things. I will cover all these topics in the upcoming videos. So watch each and every video. You will become an expert in this HVAC system. Here different types of units is nothing but an it is the equipments which we are connected to maintain that HVAC system conditions. These are not the measuring units. Keep this in mind, guys. What is an HVAC? HVAC is nothing but an acronym which means H means heating, V means ventilation, AC is an one word air conditioning. So the first thing is heating. Heating is nothing but an process of increasing the indoor temperature, which means to increasing the temperature of an any substance or an any medium, then we call it as an heating. And if we are remove the heat from the any substance or any medium is nothing but an cooling. Why we need to heating? Because to maintain the comfortable room temperature. Heating is always mostly focusing on the temperature. Here, if we are control the temperature through the heating, then humidity is also automatically controls, and in some other applications prevent the freezing of the pipes, and mostly improves the indoor comfort and safety is the major purpose of that heating. Here, the common heating systems are there, which are the sources of the heating in the HVAC system. One is an furnace, boiler, heat pump, electrical heaters, and radiators. This heat pump is nothing but an which will be used in the two conditions, where when it will be a cooling, then it will gives the hot weather and hot conditions. When it will be a hot, it will give the cool conditions. By using the reversing valve, this heat pump will be works on that principle. Electrical heaters, which are mostly used in the AHUs to maintain the temperature. Second one is an ventilation. Ventilation, it is nothing but an process of supplying the fresh air, because the air will be circulated through from the rooms to the different things. So we need to add the fresh air to an system. That is nothing but an ventilation. Through this adding of this fresh air, we will remove the stale, contaminants and humid from that space. The main purpose is to provide the oxygen and remove the odor, smoke and dust pollutants, and to control the humidity. And mostly the main thing of this ventilation is to improve the indoor air quality. This is the main reason of this ventilation. Here the different types of ventilations are there: natural ventilation, mechanical ventilation and forced ventilation. Basically this natural ventilation we all know, in our homes windows and all are there, and mechanical ventilation is nothing but an fans, ducts and exhaust systems. Through the mechanical energy we will provide an ventilation. So that's why these are the mechanical ventilations. Forced ventilations, so the air handling unit and the blower, this will be forcefully extract the fresh air to that system. This is the nothing but an ventilation. And here the H2 which will be 10 percentage of the fresh air we will add in the conditions of that ASHRAE and ISHRAE standards. Air conditioning. Air conditioning is nothing but it is the process of cooling and dehumidifying the indoor air to maintain the comfort. Basically, this air conditioning is nothing but to condition the air to maintain the temperature and the humidity and the in some cases pressure. To maintain all these three conditions, we will need to condition that air. This is the main purpose. Here you see guys, reduce the temperature, remove the humidity and improve the comfort. These are the main things and the main purpose of this air condition. And an HVAC system is an integrate of these three functions. Mostly HVAC system is nothing but an heating, ventilation and conditioning. This is nothing but an air conditioning to create a comfortable and healthy indoor environment. So if we are maintain all these things, we can create an comfortable and healthy indoor environment. This is an introduction part of an HVAC system.